If you wanted to buy a premium factory full metal digital watch right now, you'll easily be looking at spending anywhere from £450 to over £700. But what if you could get something completely bespoke, fully upgraded in marine grade steel with a direct link to actual NASA history for under £400? This is the Artemis Casio Royale. It's a custom piece hand-built by Nocturnal Time in Florida. He originally built a tiny batch of 10 of these specifically for the crew of NASA's historic Artemis II lunar mission. In fact, Artemis II Commander Reid Wiseman was actually spotted wearing his on the media circuit. I have been hunting for the perfect, unique watch for this summer, and when I saw the video of this being customized for real astronauts, I knew I had to get one. I went all out on the options, spending around £380 to £390 for the absolute highest tier full metal spec. Let's open it up and see if it lives up to the hype. Now, under all these premium upgrades, the backbone of this watch is the legendary Casio AE1200. You might know it by its community nickname, the Casio Royale. It got that name because it looks almost identical to the rare Seiko digital watch Roger Moore wore in the 1983 James Bond film Octopussy. Watch nerds combine Casio and Casino Royale to give it one of the coolest nicknames in horology. As a stock watch, it's an ultra budget icon. You can buy the standard version right now on the high street at places like Argos for as low as £26, or about £60 directly from Casio. It's famously made of lightweight plastic resin, but what Nocturnal Time does completely flips the script from budget bond to space age luxury. Once I lift it out, and wow, that tactile difference is immediate. If you ever own a regular Casio Royale, it feels like a toy because of the painted resin case. This? Oh man, this is a serious piece of equipment built for adventure and will last a lifetime. Nocturnal Times has stripped away every ounce of plastic and replaced it with solid CNC-cut 316L marine grade stainless steel. The edges on this new case are incredibly sharp and geometric. The way the brush surfaces transition into these clean, polished angles make it look less like a budget digital piece and more like a high-end luxury integrated bracelet watch. But where you really feel your money is the bracelet. Stock Casio bracelets are notorious for being hollow, jingly hair pullers, but look at Nocturnal Time's spec. This is completely solid steel with absolutely no hollow cores or stamped metal. Listen to that, it doesn't rattle cheaply. It has heavy, fluid premium flow to it. It feels cool to the touch, heavy in the hand, and instantly transforms a retro digital watch into a stylish, tank-built summer statement piece. Let's talk about the exact spec I ordered, because this is the top tier build. Along with the upgraded 316L case and bracelet, I opt for the premium silver backplate around the back to complete the rugged industrial aesthetic. But the absolute star of the show is the face dial. Nocturnal Times replaced the standard analog crosshair sub-dial with a complete custom printed Artemis mission graphic. It looks incredibly crisp. To frame it, I went with the custom blue faceplate. Combined with the silver steel, the contrast is stunning. It gives off a heavy, retro futuristic sci-fi vibe that is going to look insane out in the summer sun. I also went with a negative display option, giving it this clean, light digits on a dark background, making the whole outlook seamless and stealthy. On the wrist, it wears beautifully, it balances perfectly. I love my Garmin Phoenix 6 Pro Solar and my ProTrack PRG 270 for hiking and heavy outdoor stuff, but those are bulky beasts. This Artemis Royale sits in a completely different category. It's stylish, full of character, and a massive conversation starter. Out of the box, NT absolutely nailed the craftsmanship. The alignments are perfect. The steel finish is immaculate, and the story behind it makes it feel special every time you look down at the time. But unboxing it on day one is the easy part. The real test is how a custom hand-modified steel piece handles real life. I'm making this my primary daily wear for the next few weeks of summer to see how the bracelet handles the heat, how the negative display performs in direct sunlight, and if that marine steel holds up to scratches. Make sure to hit subscribe and drop comments below. Would you pay under £400 for a bespoke Space Crew Casio, or would you rather save up for a factory full metal G-Shock? Stay tuned for part 2 for the full long-term review. See you in the next one. And for now, happy Father's Day, chaps. Thank you.